students, good morning. In previous classes, in previous lecture already we had discussed about the chemical reaction, okay, and also equation, okay, balance chemical equation, how can you balance the chemical equation, okay, and you know about how can you balance the chemical equation. Already you know about how can you balance the chemical equation, understand? In previous lecture, previous day already we discussed, understand? So let us again we have to discuss one times, okay, and you know about what is the balance chemical equation, okay, how can you balance the chemical equation. So already you know about the number of this is the what, this is the case of what, this is the reactant, okay, and also we can say this is the LHS side, which side LHS, and this is the case of what, product, and this is the what, RHS. You know about LHS, RHS. So you know about key what a reactant means. You know about the number of molecules of reactant. If the number of molecules of the reactant is equal to the number of molecules of the product, okay, and that means what, each atoms of the reactant side, okay, each atoms of molecule, okay, each atoms of molecules of reactant side is equal to the each atom molecule of the product side. That means that it is a balanced chemical equation, understand? Also we can say that what, it is a balance, okay. So already we discussed about. Let us see another example. How can we balance the equation? Let us see here. Given there when iron react with the H2O, okay, this is the iron react with the hydrogen peroxide H2O water, then the formation of ferrous oxide Fe3O4 and hydrogen gas released, okay. In this equation what you observe here, this is balance or not balance? This is not balance. How can you say that? Because in case of reactant, this is reactant side and this is the product. You have to observe in both sides, reactant and product. So here see in LHS side, okay, how many atoms of iron? 1. Here is how many atoms? 3 atoms and 3 molecules of iron. Here is 1 molecule only, okay, then 3. In case of hydrogen here is 2, and in case of product 2 also, okay, both are equal. But in case of oxygen here 1 molecule, here is the 4 molecules, okay. So kya, also we can say that this is not a balance, understand? So how can we balance them? To balance them, let us see. First of all, we have to balance them by, okay, equality of, okay, LHS equal to RHS means reactant equal to product, okay. In case of what, oxygen, first of all here is the 4 oxygen, 4 molecules of oxygen, here is 1 molecule. So first of let us, okay, we have to balance them, okay, equal to 4 oxygen. So we have to multiply by 4 in water molecules, okay. Let's see here. So let's see here. Here they given the elements. Given the element, which is elements participate in the chemical reaction? Iron, hydrogen, and oxygen. Number of atoms you know about. LHS side, iron 1, hydrogen 2, oxygen 1. Number of product side, RHS side 3, iron 3, hydrogen 2, and oxygen 4. Means क्या है? In difference between what is unequal side, unequal molecules, atom, iron and oxygen mainly. So let us, okay, we have to balance them in case of iron and oxygen. First of all we have to balance in oxygen, understand? So we have to balance the oxygen. How can you balance them? So first of all, atoms of oxygen, you know about the initial, that means in case of reactant, in H2O that is 1 molecules of oxygen. In case of the product, 4 molecules of oxygen and 4 atoms of oxygen, okay. So first let us be what we'll do, we have to multiply water molecules by 4. There is 1 molecule of water, we have to multiply by 4 because we have to balance in oxygen. Here is 4 molecules also there, no changing there, but you have to change the what, oxygen side, okay, because I have to equality of the oxygen, balance in oxygen. Then after what will happen? After the balancing, then what will happen? After the multiplying of 4 in water molecules, after 4 multiply by 4, then it is 4. Then what will happen here? After the multiplying by 4, then here is the how many hydrogen? There is 8 hydrogen in reactant side, but here is only 2 hydrogen. This is the problem creates in the hydrogen, for hydrogen molecules. So let us see. We have to we will balance in case of hydrogen molecules. Here is 8 hydrogen, 8 molecules of hydrogen, but here is only 2. So we have to multiply by 4 in case of the product side. Then it is balanced. 4 to 8. Here is 4 to 8 equal. So let's see. We have to balance them. So again let's see. atoms of hydrogen initial and after balance. The reactant side, how many? There is the only, how many? Sorry, 8. 4 to 8 molecules. Here is the only 2. So we have to multiply by 4 into 2. There is only 2 hydrogen there, so we have to multiply by 4. 4 to 8. That means what? Here there given there na. Then after multiplying by 4, 4 to 8 hydrogen, also we have to 4 4 to 8 means kya? Hydrogen and oxygen are balanced. 4 to 8 hydrogen here, also hydrogen 8 molecules equal. 4 oxygen is there, also 4 oxygen there, means kya? Both are balanced. Okay, equal in both sides, reactant and product. LHS equal to RHS, which hydrogen and oxygen. But we see in case of the iron, then here is how many molecules of iron? 1. Here is the 3 molecules. Okay, so let we see, we will what will we do? So we will do balance the iron molecules. Here is 3 molecules, here is the only 1. Okay, we have to balance them. Okay, so how can you balance? To multiplying by 3 in the case of reactant side. Okay, understand? So let's see. Here is the case of, see here na, atoms of iron. Here is the only 1 iron. Okay, 1 molecules of iron. So multiplying by 3, here is 3 molecules. Okay, so these are equal. Okay, after multiplying by 3 in reactant side, then what will happen? After multiplying the 3, then kya hoga? What will happen? 3 molecules of hydrogen here, sorry, iron here, 3 molecules of iron, here is also 3 molecules. Okay, so kya? It is a balance na, because all molecules, okay, molecules of the what? Total number of reactant equal to total number of molecules of product. Total number of molecules of reactant equal to total number of molecules of product, means kya? It is a balance. Okay, it is balance na, you know about na, because here 3 Fe 3 Fe equal 4 to 8 hydrogen, also 8 hydrogen, also 4 oxygen there in case of reactant side, also 4 oxygen in there in case of product side, means LHS equal to what? RHS. Then also we can say that kya? It is a balanced chemical equation. No problem. Okay, this is also known as what? This method is also known as, this method of balancing chemical equation is called the heat and trial method. Okay, we have to balance them na, by multiplying the both side. Okay, by exchanging their what? Molecules. Understand? So by multiplying, yeah, substitute the number. Okay, by multiplying in both reactant and product side. So this method is known as what? Balancing the equation is known as what? Heat and trial method. Okay, heat and trial. So we make trials to balance equation by using the smallest whole number coefficient. So okay, the whole number coefficient we can easily balance them by multiplying the digits. Okay, number. No problem. Let's we discuss. Okay, we will discuss about the writing symbol of physical state. Do you know about na? In this earth surface, different types of substance, material, या chemicals, all forms the 3 state of matter. You know about the 3 state of matter, which matters mainly 3 of state of matter. Also we know which solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, you know about na, कि all substances found in the which form? Solid, liquid, या gas. Okay, so first of all we have to carefully observe कि which है ना, which substance is found in liquid form, which are solid form, which are in gaseous form. So also in this is a chemical reaction. Okay, we have to just focus in this chapter. So in many chemicals, okay, yeah, atoms or elements which found in also in, okay, these 3 states. Okay, another state is also in aqueous form. Okay, so we have to also, how can we recognize them? So we have to recognize them by writing their physical state. Physical means you know about, if any substance is solid, we have to write the solid form. In any substance, a chemical in liquid form, then we have to give the L in brackets of L. In gaseous form, then we have to write the G. In aqueous form, then you have to write AQ. Okay, so this is the symbol for representation of the element या substance या any chemicals. Okay, in their physical state. Understand? Here is also given there gaseous, liquid, aqueous, solid and reactant to product represented by G, L, AQ. G मतलब gas, means gas, liquid, aqueous and solid. Okay, the word equation written in the reactant and product both side, just like given here. Let's see example here. See here na, what will there? You have to see here na, what is there here? What happening here? Also you know about कि here is the iron react with the water molecule, then the formation of क्या? Ferrous oxide Fe3O4 and the hydrogen gas released. So you have to observe there na, what will happen here? Iron, you know about iron is then found in solid form, so you have to written in S, in bracket S. Water, you know about water is found in 2 forms, solid or 3 forms also we can say that, solid, liquid, gas. It's so 3 states, 3 physical states. but here is the show in gaseous form, water. Okay, so you have to put there in gaseous form, G. Again, after the formation of product, and Fe3O4 ferrous oxide, it is also a which state? Solid state. So you have to written there bracket S. And this is the which state? Hydrogen. This is the gaseous state. So you have to written there in G in bracket. Okay, this is the way to written their physical state, and also we can recognize easily which substance, which chemicals, which elements are, and which forms, what is their physical state. Understand? So in this way we can easily write down this. Let's see another example given here है ना. See here. Okay, here is carbon monoxide. Okay, reacts with the hydrogen gas. Okay, in presence of the pressure 340 atmospheric pressure, 3 atm. Okay, atmospheric pressure, and then the formation of what? Methanol, CH3OH. So what will happen? CO, you know what? CO is the carbon monoxide, which are also released in our surrounding from the vehicles. This is so poisonous gas, CO. So this is the gaseous form. So we have to return there what? In gas. The notation is gas. Hydrogen also know that gaseous form. Okay, after the formation of product, this is the formation of what? Methanol. You know about no ethanol, methanol. This is found in liquid form. Okay, alcohol. Understand? So also we can write what? What will we write in case of the liquid form? In bracket liquid. So you have to written in liquid. Understand? So this is the way to recognizing their physical state. Yeah. Okay, we have to express in their physical state which substance, which compound, elements. Just like here another example, CO2. You know about CO2 is a gaseous state. Okay, but here is aqueous. Aqueous means you know about ना. Aqueous means what? Aqueous means क्या कि dissolving in water या water present in that substance or material या chemicals. तो किसी substance में है ना, it present in the water molecules या moisture. Okay, then it is known as aqueous. Okay, aqueous form. Aqueous means क्या होता है कि dissolving in water या water molecules present in the that atoms or that chemicals. Also we can say that moisture. So it is denoted by in aqueous form. Aqueous means aqueous. Okay, and water you know about in liquid form in presence of the what? Sunlight and chlorophyll. You know about this process is known as photosynthesis, which occurs in our plant. Okay, this is case of photosynthesis. So in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, the formation of the what? Glucose, C6H12O6. This is also found in aqueous form. Aqueous means क्या? This is found in water dissolved in it. Presence of water there, and O2 oxygen gas also present there because here is the water molecules. Okay, so it is found in aqueous form, and also this is the releasing of water, 6H2O, liquid form. Understand? So this is also known as क्या? Photosynthesis. Okay, understand? So this is also a representation of the what? Their physical state. Okay, which chemicals या which substance and what is their physical state. Understand? Solid, liquid, gas, aqueous. Okay, no problem in the case of the way to expressing the physical state of any chemicals या compound या matter. No problem. Okay, let's see another example. Here is the question given there. Okay, questions are given there. Understand? This question is related with the previous topic, related with the all previous topic just we have discussed. Okay, so all you have to solve this question, all students. Okay, so why should a magnesium ribbon clean before the burning in air? You know about why without cleaning they don't react with the air. You know about balance the chemical equation. Okay, given there all things. Understand? So please all students solve. Okay, all will you solve these questions? Okay, if you have any problem then you have to write the comment box, write in the comment box, and you can okay, otherwise you can ask. Understand? Let's discuss next topic. Next topic you know about now. This is the types of chemical reaction. What is the? This is the types of chemical reaction. Okay, so you know about what is the types. So you know about all of students, you know about ki different types of chemical reaction occurs in our everyday life, in our surrounding also. You know about different types of chemical reaction, just like in previous lecture या previous topics already we had discussed. Okay, just like digestion of food in our body occurs. Okay, digestion of food, taking of food, just like a rusting of iron. Understand? Different types of chemical reaction occurs. Understand? So all these this happens in our what surrounding. That is the case of also type of reaction. Which types of reaction given there. Understand? So you know about types of reaction means क्या कि one chemicals, one matter या one element, one molecules combine to other element, then the formation of what product. two elements या two reactant, okay, combined together, then the formation of what product, new substance. So that's it, है ना. This is a same, है ना. Also we can, है ना, dividing by the types of chemical reaction. Also we can say that this is a type of chemical reaction. Understand? And type of reaction, why this is so? Because the when two elements या atom या molecules combine together, okay, then the formation of new product. So why this formation of new product? Due to the, है ना, making a bond. Understand? Due to the making of bond in the case of reactant, then the formation of what? New product. Okay, that is known as what? Product. Understand? Let's see example. First example, let's have to see now. This is the case of first, क्या है? Combination reaction. ठीक है, this is the first type of chemical reaction. तो chemical combination reaction, you know about combination is also known as addition reaction. Addition means क्या? Add. Okay, and also we can say that combination या addition. What do you mean by combination reaction, addition reaction? तो also we can say that what, when two or more than two elements, two atoms या two element या two molecules, okay, combine together, okay, in a chemical reaction, yeah, which take part in a chemical reaction, then after the combination, then the formation of single product, okay, then the formation of only single product, that is known as what? Combination reaction या addition reaction. Addition means क्या होता है? Add. Addition of two reactant या two molecules या two atoms, that is known as addition या combination. Okay, the same things happens here. You know about here given that you have to see here na. This is the what? Beaker. In okay, inside of the beaker, what is given there? What is, है ना, given there? What is the water molecules given there and calcium oxide, quicklime. Also we can say that quicklime. Okay, so calcium oxide and water. After the combination of calcium oxide and water, then the formation of what? Select lime. Okay, calcium hydroxide. That is single product. Okay, so it's given there na. Given two or more than two elements. Here is the two molecules. Okay, combined together, then the formation of single product. Single product means calcium hydroxide, select lime. Understand? This reaction is known as what? Combination reaction या addition. Addition means, yeah, combination means add. After both are combining together, water and calcium oxide, then the formation of what? Select lime. Just see here, give the example. Okay, given here this is the quicklime, CO, calcium oxide, which are, है ना, dissolved into beaker, and this is the water also there. After the combine together both, then the formation of what? Calcium hydroxide. This is select lime. Formation of the new product. So why this formation of new product? After the combination of these two bonds, है ना, calcium oxide and water molecule. After the combining together, okay, bond between the, है ना, calcium oxide and water. Understand? Then the formation of what? Calcium hydroxide. Understand? This is known as select lime. This is also found in aqueous. Aqueous means, you know about, because water is present there, liquid, so it is also so the aqueous, nami, moisture present in water. Understand? So this is also known as what? Combination reaction. Okay, after the formation of bond between these two molecules. So you had you have also learned in the previous class 9th, okay, how is the making of formula, calcium, है ना, combined with the chlorine, then the formation of calcium chloride. So why this happens? Do you know about now? When calcium react with the chlorine, so due to their valency, you know about, here is the 2 valency plus 2, और here is only क्या? -1. So after the combining together, combining their, है ना, bond, then the formation of what? CaCl2, calcium chloride. You know about na? So this will happen also here. Okay, two molecules combine their bond. Understand? After the take part in a chemical reaction, then the formation of, okay, combining to each other, then the formation of single product. Okay, this is known as what? Which reaction? Addition या combination reaction. No problem, because formation of single product only. Okay, so that reaction, okay, which gives the only single product, okay, after a chemical reaction, then it is known as combination या addition reaction. No problem. I hope you all are understand. Okay.